Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. My name is Kapil and today we are going to talk about best summer decor ideas for a staycation-worthy home. Did you know you can enjoy vacation vibes all season long without even leaving your house? In fact, all it takes is getting creative with some summer decor ideas. The best part is there's a solution for every room, level of effort and need. Even with little time or a set budget, it is possible to turn any house into a cool summery retreat. So, let's get started. Fresh flowers make such a big difference in a room. Whether store-bought or from the garden, beautiful blooms not only radiate summer energy, they also make the house smell divine. Opt for arrangements in warm, seasonal color like sunshine yellow, zesty orange and bright pinks. Deep reds and rich purples suit other seasons best. Bring in the biophilic summer home decor. Take the fresh flower bouquet a step further with biophilic interior design. Add tropical indoor plants like peace lilies and palms for boost in summertime ambience. Natural accents such as wood, stone and cork further enhance the surrounded by nature feeling. One easy way of adding these accents is through summer wall art like a wood framed gallery wall. Include vacation photos, abstract leafy artwork or lush and green nature scenes. Summer decor ideas feature bright and happy accents. Bold and cherry colors are closely associated with summer. Another effortless way of giving a space a summer makeover is by adding accent pieces in the shades reminiscent of the season. Bright tones of yellow, coral and blue can really make a room pop, especially against a light backdrop. Light and flowy curtains are the way to go for summer decor. It's incredible what difference new curtains can make as living room summer decor. Swap out any thick, heavy drapes for the light, flowy ones during the summertime. They'll make the living room appear cooler and airier, especially when gently swaying in the breeze. Summertime and beach days go hand in hand. Make every day a beach day by creating a coastal living room. Neutrals and pastels act as the perfect backdrop for more vibrant colors like azure, coral and teal. For example, pair a white couch with aquamarine scatter cushions. Go all out on the bar area. Few seasonal treats are as refreshing as a fruity cocktail on a hot summer day. Assign a corner of the kitchen to cocktail making and turn a drink station into a feature. Be sure to display classy cocktail glasses and bar equipment along with elegant bottle of liquor. When faced with limited counter space, invest in a console or even a bar cart. Use seasonal produce for a fresh summery vibe. That's right, seasonal fruit makes for a summery focal point that's equal parts lovely and simple. Yellow citrus and red or green apples are particularly eye-catching thanks to their vibrant colors. Just fill a beautiful bowl with the fruit and place it alongside a vase of flowers on the kitchen island for an effortless summer arrangement. Don't forget to opt for neutral lampshades. Yes, white lampshades are classic. However, swapping them for a richer beige or white ones will mimic the warm and cheery sensation associated with summer. The bold may even like to change the lampshade to a vivid tone that's analogous to this bedroom's palette. It will make them stand out and add to the fun. Incorporate natural patterns into the bedroom for a lively summer atmosphere. There are plenty of ways to do this, including wallpaper, bedding, and accessories. Of these, bedding is the easiest, most affordable way of creating a bright summery bedroom. Just keep in mind that vivid bed sheets look best in a room with neutral walls and minimal accessories. This is it for this video. If you really liked the video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.